Good evening. Looking at my gloves. Why am I wearing these gloves? Well, tonight I'm making homemade pizza Margherita. So I've got my ingredients. I've got my bocconcini. Bocconcini, you see it, bocconcini there. Bocconcini. These are the Coles brand. They're okay. I normally get a different brand, but yeah, it is what it is tonight. Pizza sauce, Mutti. I'll use this brand here, Mutti. Nice flavour. I've got my basil, okay. I've got my garlic and herbs, I'll put on top, and virgin olive oil. Alright, so all that through there. So I've got the hoodie on, it's cold. So first of all, we start with this one here. I'll put some of this on my pizza. So spoon, voila. Now that's my pizza base. Pizza base there. Make it this. Just put in here this. This is very easy. This is all bought from Coles. Coles will you get from anywhere. You don't have to go to delicatessen to buy this. It's it's very easy to do at home. The base was bought from Woolies. The sauce was bought from Woolies. It's it's not hard. Give me my gloves. I like to wear gloves when I cook. I make things. Swiss all my fingers and just hygiene. So done. Alright, that's done. There's my base. Now I get the bocconcini. Yeah, easy done. Just get bocconcini. Just ta-da. I'm just making a margherita tonight. Normally I make like a prosciutto, pizza prosciutto, salami, with some a bit of lamb, with some lamb also. So I make all sorts of pizza, but tonight it's just a margherita. Okay, so that, and one more. And I love this cheese. Okay. Some of this on top. Just a little bit of flavour. It's hard to rock this. Always it's hard. Now, this is the Italian chili. I've used this before in another video. So I'll do a little bit of this. This is very spicy. Very surprised how spicy this is. I can smell the spice, but I love the flavours. I want to put that in my mouth. And that's it. So I'm going to take my gloves off because they're full of oil and stuff. And this is my pizza, as you can see. Done. So over here. So I got the bocconcini, I got the sauce. I put the oregano and parsley, garlic and herbs. I put the chili, put the sauce, put the bocconcini, and I put it in the oven for about 30 minutes. I put it in the oven for about 30 minutes, and then I put the basil on top. You don't cook basil, we don't cook the basil. Now that's it, done. So yeah, I'll show you the end result very soon. Oh, it's cold. Oh, 10 degrees. I've got the heater on too, and I'm still freezing. Look at me in a hoodie here. It looks like a monk. Alright guys, we'll see you soon. Switch it on. 180 degrees, 30 minutes, and voila. Alright. Okay, pizza is ready. Here it is. Have a look at this. And voila, look at that. Looks good, hey? Looks pretty good, I have to say. Now, Almost done. Get the basil. Okay, just put a few plates of this. 1, 2. Just put a little bit of basil, not too much. And a little bit of oil. Done. And now I get my pizza cutter. There's a pizza cutter over here. You can smell the spice in this food. And done. So now the taste test. All right, here we go. Here we go. Oh, look at this puppy. Look at that. Spicy. But very nice. Well, that was delicious. So, well, alloy, and Thai. Well, pretty good, mate. Catch you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.